Okay. My name is Sanjeev. I am basically data engineer with about 4 years of experience in business intelligence as well as 2 years of experience in data engineering field. So currently, I'm working in Saudi Arabia um, in consultancy firm. So basically, I'm from Pakistan and uh, just came here in about 7 months ago. I'm just like job purpose. So I'm working in Saudi Arabia. You can say that.
So you are currently in Saudi.
Yes. Yeah. And I am basically wanted to land on Qatar-based company or even to explore more options in Saudi Arabia in the Gulf side. So that's why I need counseling from you. So other than this, I also tried some freelance platform, but I'm unable to like grow so much. Even that I'm unable to get a single job from these freelancing website.
Okay. So you are mainly interested to go to Qatar.
Yes, Qatar or Oman or UAE.
Okay. So you got this job in Saudi and they basically offered you that come here and work with us and we will take care of all your expenses like that.
Mm,
Like they sponsor
they just give me back. You can say that. Yes, yes,
they sponsored the visa even.
yes, absolutely.
All right. So did they say you can take your family here as well?
Um, I negotiate with them, but they said that we just pay for your visa. That's it.
Okay. Yeah. So since you already landed a job in Saudi just like that, I think for you this is going to be easier if you want to land a job on Qatar because I know someone who did exactly that. So I will give you his profile link. So sure, we will talk, but I want you to look at his profile as well. All right, just give me one second. He is also from Bangladesh. That's where I am from, and basically he has been living in Qatar just like you. He landed a job there and got an offer, and he was, I mean, able to take his family as well. All right,
Perfect.
all right. Send you the link.
Thank you so much.
So okay, you can set the link and look at his profile later. All right. For now, let's talk.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So your best bet is LinkedIn, not Upwork or Fiverr. Okay, because there are many Qatari companies, they are posting their jobs on LinkedIn, not on Fiverr or Upwork. If you search the job on Fiverr, Upwork, those jobs are mainly just one-time thing, remote works. Yeah, just one-time thing. But a permanent job you can find on LinkedIn. For that, uh, first of all, you will need, I mean, lots of experience. Do you have that?
Yes. Overall, my experience is 6 plus years. 6 plus means 6.5 years of experience.
Okay, that's good. How many
Mm.
companies did you work with?
I almost work with four companies. This is my fourth company
Okay,
that
that's
I'm
good.
working with.
That's good. So you need that on your CV, all right? And also mention that you have been working on this Saudi company as well. So what I
Mm.
wanted to do, I am not sure if you are doing this already. So you need to filter out the jobs on LinkedIn and follow those companies and wait for when they're like posting jobs or not. So always follow them. All right. So each company has their own, hiring system, hiring style, and the talent they are looking for. So you always need to update your CV for each individual company. For example, if you are applying to 10 companies, you may need 10 different version of your CV for that. Understand?
Okay. Mm.
Yeah. So it's like you need to study them. You need to study them for a long time. So what I want you to do is list out those companies. Maybe you'll find, maybe 50, 60 companies that are offering jobs from Qatar. So find those companies, study them, go to their website, see what type of things they do. Basically, have all the knowledge you need. And when they are, hiring, so you apply exactly. So you know that exactly this type of people they are looking for, or their hiring style is this and that, like that. So like I said, you may need different versions of your CV for each company. So it might take some time to actually get an offer. And if you're lucky, they can offer visa and sponsor visa, and you can actually go and live there. But it is certainly possible. It is certainly possible because Qatar or these type of countries, they're always taking people from part of Asia.
All over the world.
Yep,
Yeah.
exactly. So it is part of their culture that they are taking people, right? It is in their culture. So it's much more easier to actually settle there than other countries. Yeah. All right. So if you want to talk about like Fiverr, Upwork, get some jobs, design job, let's talk.
I'm specifically wanted to talk to you related to Fiverr or Upwork, related to profiles and how to apply. Apply means how to uh, share like a portfolio specifically. Uh, is it necessary to share my previous work or links or this type of stuff or GitHub link, etc., etc.?
Exactly. You must have these links shared. Otherwise, how will the client trust you? So you are new in Fiverr or Upwork, I'm guessing.
Um, I use Fiverr and Upwork for about 1 year. Um, um, yes, it's been 1 year that I'm using Fiverr and I update my Fiverr gigs as well as Upwork portfolios for about 4 to 5 times. Like I updated, but I never land on any job. I never get any response from any client or any.
So you didn't get any job on Fiverr or Upwork, not even one. All right. So when you update your gig, do you notice how it is performing, like how much impression it is getting, how much click it is getting? Do you look at that statistics?
Uh, since inception, I just get impression of about 7, 8, 10. That is the highest impression that I get.
All right. So if that is the case, you are getting really less impression. That means your gig uh, are not ranking enough. It is not SEO friendly enough. Understand? So you work on, you said, data engineer,
Yes, I'm doing
right?
that.
So uh, if you search for data engineers on Fiverr, I'm sure there are some people who comes to the top, right?
On the top, yes.
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 So did you study their profile? Like what type of description did they use? What type of keywords did they use? Did you study?
I study, I copy from 5 to 7 profiles, then merge all of them using AI, AI chatbots, and then update my game on the basis of their response. The response.
That's the thing. You should not copy and you should not use AI. Both are bad. All right. So
Um, uh,
yeah,
my whole profile is based on AI,
that's bad.
and maybe this is the reason that I'm unable to get any job. Even that when, sorry to cut you, even that when I apply on any job on Upwork, I just copy the response from AI and share this with the client while applying on any job on Upwork.
That's a big mistake. When when we're doing that, I think most people are doing that, and most people are doing that same mistake. If I see a message, if I see a proposal, I will know that this message was copy pasted from AI, or this message was written by the freelancer himself, because there's a pattern. It's easily understandable, especially everyone is familiar with AI these days, right? So be natural, be honest. So when you're writing a proposal, just read the job post and see what type of problems the client are trying to solve. So talk to him naturally that okay, you have this problem, I have solved this type of problems before. Here is the live link of that project. If you can do that, you are definitely going to get some attention of the client if he sees your proposal. Right. So if you can say I have solved this type of problem before, I have worked on similar projects before, and here is the link, that's going to gain the trust. Yeah.
Okay. So what if in the past I worked on most of the companies, but their data is very sensitive. Like I created so many dashboards. Uh, I am unable to share even a screenshot with them. So what I can do in that case? Should I have to create some like temporary dashboards and took a screenshot of their dashboard and put in my profile portfolio? Is this suitable for a client to get attention of them?
Yeah, you should have some projects that you can showcase to clients. Obviously, you should have some your own projects. You can share the GitHub link even, so that also gains trust. You can say that I have worked on similar project like this before, but I cannot share it with you. But
Okay.
here's my own version that I have done, which is similar to yours, and here's the link of that. Right.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect.
So
Perfect.
if you say that I cannot share it with you, that also gains trust of the client that okay, this freelancer is honest, right? He will take my data seriously as well, my project seriously as well, right? So
Okay.
yeah, you need to have a portfolio website. Do you have a portfolio website?
Yes, I have. I can show you, by the way.
Yeah.
Let me share my screen. Okay, not portfolio website. This is my Upwork. Is it okay to share?
Well, this is your Upwork, but I'm talking about portfolio website, personal portfolios.
No, 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 no. No, I don't have any portfolio website.
Well, you must have it. You must have it, because how are you going to show your previous projects with one link? So in your proposal, you can even say, here are if you want to see some of my previous projects, here's the link. So the client goes to the link and he can see all of your projects that you have done in the past, right? So you need to take a screenshot of the projects and present it nicely, you know. Have you ever seen the portfolio side of graphic designers or UI UX designers, how they present it so beautifully with mock-up and everything? You need to use.
I Okay, I'll definitely go through to the graphic designer and other profile. Okay, perfect. One thing related to website, you know that buying a domain and etc. is costly. So, um, how to build a website or how to like share my each and everything in one website?
I personally don't use any custom domain hosting. I just use a free website builder.
Okay, okay.
So
And as
I use GoDaddy free website builder, and what it allows is the first name of the URL is my name. So for example, salehin.godaddysites.com. So it doesn't look like a spam link, you know. So the client is not going to look at the entire link, maybe just the first word or something. And even if he looks at the entire link, GoDaddy is trusted everywhere, so he knows this is not a spam link. And first word is my name. So even if we understand that, okay, Salihin is using a free website builder, so what? I'm just here to present my work, my previous experience. It doesn't matter if I'm using a free website builder or custom, it doesn't matter. Obviously, it may create a good impression if you can use a custom domain, but in the beginning, if you think it's too costly, no problem. Just use a free website builder.
Okay, perfect. So, I want to talk with you related to Fiverr. Um, you know that in these days, previously, about I think 2 or 3 years ago, we share message with the person. You remember about that? I think. Uh, we apply or like send the message to means Fiverr allow to send a message to the 5 people in a day, and we share and get the response from them and etc.
I'm not sure really what you are talking about. Can you?
Okay, but now how clients like come to say my profile and etc. Because you know my impression is 10 to 15. I don't know this is good or very bad. So how to grab the clients to visit my profile and like message me, because it's look like my Fiverr profile is stuck, like just stop at one place, and mm, like I think it is not visible to anyone.
Hmm.
So how I can improve this?
Can you share me your screen so I can see your profile, our profile?
Oh, mm,
You can share your screen.
okay.
All right. Show me the about section.
Hmm. Okay, this is the about section. Okay, honestly, I just copied each and everything from AI. So I understand that is the first reason to not get the response from anyone. But uh,
So I'll tell you I'll tell you what type of things you should use in your about section. First thing is a little bit about your experience. So don't mention, hey, my name is this and that, and I have 6 years of experience and that. No, no. Don't do like everyone. Do something exceptional. So what I would do if I were you, um,
mm,
I mean, I would write that I'm new in Fiverr, so you're not going to see any reviews here. But I have been working for the last 6 years with local companies, and currently I am working with a Saudi company and settled here. Just I'm trying telling you too much, but maybe maximum 2 lines, just to tell a little bit about yourself, and then make some points like what type of things you have done in points, and then what type of services are you going to provide. Like make some points of that, but these points needs to be SEO friendly. So if you go to Fiverr right now, right in front of me, so
mm,
you work in data engineering. So if you are a client, what type of things would you use in the search bar? Like what type of words would you use? Go ahead, go ahead,
definitely.
go ahead, right in front of me. Go ahead. Yeah. Go to the search bar and search for something you think if you are a client.
Like Power BI. Let's talk about Power BI.
Don't type too much. Just type power.
That's it. Okay.
Power BI.
These are suggestions.
Right. So these are trending topics. That's why Fiverr is showing you. Yes, exactly. These are
Uh,
trending.
so, so which means that I have to use these keywords in my profile.
Yes. And also uh
Mm.
the problems. What type of problems are the clients looking to solve? For example, I'm mostly working with app development, all right? So, so maybe the client is looking to make e-commerce app. So I would use the e-commerce, that keyword, in the about me section, or maybe in the gig. All right, I would use the word e-commerce. Sometimes they're looking for Firebase projects, so I would use the word Firebase. Things like that, like SQL, things like that. You understand now? These keywords, you have to do some research, not just from here. See the gigs of other people as well, like what type of descriptions are they using. All right. So you may say, okay, this person has lots of rating. Maybe that's why he is to the top. That can happen, but you will sometimes find gigs that don't have any rating, or maybe just one or two, but they're still ranked to the top. There must be a reason behind it. Sometimes a gig may have zero rating, but it still ranks to the top. So research that gig. Understand?
Okay, perfect.
All right.
One more thing, if you have time. Actually, my related to my Fiverr account is, I think, created in 2020. I created Fiverr account and get almost 5 to 10 projects related to data engineering and graphic design. But after I think 2 or 3 years, I pause my profile and recently activate my profile. So this time I'm not able to get like this time everything is stuck. You can say that. So uh, is this a problem of very old Fiverr account or problem with the gigs or etc.? Should I have to
So
create a new account? Should I have?
since you just activated your profile, yes, it may take some time to actually rank up because you're under millions of people right now. Your profile. It may take some time, but it will rank if you get some jobs. If you get some jobs, so right now we should focus on creating good quality gigs,
Hmm.
right? I don't think old Fiverr account is a problem. I think it's a good thing because if your account is old, you may get some advantage. For example, the new accounts, they are always getting banned there because Fiverr is very strict these days, especially with new accounts, I believe. So I think you should keep your old profile. It's nothing to do with ranking. And I will tell you some things about gig and ranking because those things are important too. So let's say you have created a gig today, and after 10 days, you're noticing your gig just got 10 impression, or maybe 100 impression, or maybe 50, 60 impression, whatever that is. I mean, 100 is okay, but if you got 400, 500, things like that in 10 days, that's better. But let's say you got like 50 impressions, so that's extremely bad. So
Okay.
you need to update everything about your gig description. Maybe try to improve your about me section as well if you can. Mostly that gig. All right. So you updated the gig. You updated the gig. Wait for maybe another 15 days and see how it is doing now. If it is doing good, then you keep it that way. If it's
Hmm.
still not doing good, you update it again. You understand?
Okay. Okay. The tenure is so easy. Okay.
It's something like that, yeah. So keep trying for maybe, I don't know, maybe 1 month or something, or maybe 2 months maximum. So things are still not working, fine, delete that gig. It's not going to work. So create a new one.
Oh.
So okay, now let's say you um created a gig and it is doing kind of okay. You're getting maybe few hundred impressions uh
Oh.
in every month. So but you're still not getting enough click. That means it is coming in front of the people, but they are not really clicking on it. And that is because your gig image is not interesting enough, right? So when you search,
Gig image, right?
exactly, yeah.
Okay.
So when you search, you get like 30, 40 people in front of you. So which one do you click? The one that looks very interesting to you, right? So exactly. So if you're not getting enough click but uh, enough impression, that means your gig image needs to be updated, right? So a few things, you should make a nice video about yourself, add it to the gig, add it to about section in your profile, add it to every gig, because video creates a good impression. So you don't have any review on your profile, but if you can properly explain that you are a senior and you have done these type of projects, the client will trust you that, okay, this person is new in Fiverr, but he has experience. All right.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Understood. Understood.
And one more thing. Yeah, one more thing before you say anything. You need to boost your gigs as well. So organic reaches are not going to work these days, I believe. You need to boost your gig
Oh, okay.
and your Upwork profile. It quite much. Yeah, go ahead.
Ah, uh, okay. I'll check the package related to Fiverr and Upwork. Uh, okay. One last thing. Uh, what is the difference between like LinkedIn and resume? Is, is the resume is the concise or summarize for the whole career, and what about the they have to like put each and everything in on the LinkedIn profile about section, my experience, my projects, etc.
So LinkedIn is your digital resume, and there are some companies, they still are taking traditional ways to hire people. So they look at your CV, and in your CV, obviously, you should mention your LinkedIn profile as well, because they may take a look at it as well. So, like I said, it is your digital resume. So, what are you doing every day? What type of work are you doing? Uh, if you are updating it on your LinkedIn, they may take a look at it. And your by your LinkedIn, you can get hired immediately by someone from LinkedIn. That can happen. But you said you want to land a job on Qatar, and I'm sure those companies are going to look at your CV, because they hire in traditional method. But when it comes to Upwork, Fiverr, you don't need a CV. You just need a portfolio website and some live link of your previous projects. By the way, on Fiverr, you should not share any external link that has your contact information. Fiverr is extremely strict about it. So but I think you can do it on Upwork. I do it all the time. I share my portfolio website, so I have never been banned.
Perfect, perfect. That's it. That's it. Thank you so much for